Hello YouTube, this is a 2009 Cadillac CTS-V from Hot Wheels. This is the first edition of the CTS-V in black. Really nice to have this in the collection, even though I'm not really a fan of this casting. The CTS-V is a luxury performance sedan. You can tell it by the V logo at the front door. It has taillight tampos with a bulging hood up top. There sits a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, the same engine from the Camaro ZL1. Interestingly enough, it has a bluish tint windows with a sunroof up top. Looking straight ahead, you can see the two-tone plastic molded interior. The center console is finished in gray, which is part of the plastic base, which also houses the grille inserts as well as the lower grille on the bumper, and the rear valance together with the dual split exhaust. Painted graphical taillights with the Cadillac logo at the trunk, CTS on the right side, V on the left. Chrome 10-spoke wheels that rolls really well. It's all plastic, by the way. Really neat. Overall, the casting is not that bad, although there are some things I don't like. It is quite wide. The rear is kind of flat. Instead of a U or V shape, it is really flat. It makes you think you're a flat earther. Very interesting. And the fenders are again too wide, even though the actual car has wide fenders. There are some odd proportions overall, but still a decent casting nonetheless. And there you have it. Please check out my other videos. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.